హాయ్ ఆల్. యాక్చువల్‌గా ఈ వీడియో నా కోసం చేసుకున్నానండి. బహుశా ఇది మీకు గూడా హెల్ప్ అవ్వచ్చు. యాహ్! లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్. ఫస్ట్ మాలోవలెంట్ మీన్స్ malicious, spiteful, baleful, poisonous, venomous, rancorous. Malevolent means malicious, spiteful, baleful, poisonous, venomous, rancorous. Second, favorable means advantageous, beneficial, helpful, good, auspicious. Favorable means advantageous, beneficial, helpful, good, auspicious. Third, dissatisfied means unsatisfied, disappointed, vexed, discontented. Dissatisfied means unsatisfied, disappointed, vexed, discontented. Fourth, pungent means strong, acrid, nauseous, acidic, piquant. Pungent means strong, acrid, nauseous, acidic, piquant. Fourth, malicious means evil, baleful, vengeful, vitriolic, nasty. Fifth, malicious means evil, baleful, vengeful, vitriolic, nasty. The next question lo first one, magnify means enlarge, augment, expand, amplify, enhance. Magnify means enlarge, augment, expand, amplify, enhance. The next meaning, attract means entice, allure, charm, tempt, mesmerize, spellbind, captivate, bewitching, enthrall, fascinate. Attract means entice, allure, charm, tempt, mesmerize, spellbind, captivate, bewitching, enthrall, fascinate. Next meaning, support means assist, aid, help, finance, encourage. Support means assist, aid, help, finance, encourage. Next meaning, enlarge means expand, bloat, bulge, amplify. Enlarge means expand, bloat, bulge, amplify. Next meaning, endear means commend, compliment, congratulate, praise, applaud, laud, acclaim, adulate, cheer, eulogize. Endear means commend, compliment, congratulate, praise, applaud, laud, acclaim, adulate, cheer, eulogize. Next meaning, sacrilege, desecration, profanity, blasphemy, impiety, insult, irreverence, disrespect. Sacrilege means desecration, profanity, blasphemy, impiety, insult, irreverence, disrespect. Next meaning, sacred means holy, consecrate, sanctified, venerated, blessed, respected. Sacred means holy, consecrate, sanctified, venerated, blessed, respected. Next meaning, hostility, belligerent, bellicose, animosity, antagonism, malevolence, malice. Hostility means belligerent, bellicose, animosity, antagonism, malevolence, malice. Next meaning, spontaneity means natural, impromptu, extempore, ad lib, unplanned, unprepared. Spontaneity means natural, impromptu, extempore, ad lib, unplanned, unprepared. Next meaning, desecration means sacrilege, debase, degrade. Next meaning, desecration means sacrilege, డిబేస్, డిగ్రేడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఏమైనా ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ మిస్టేక్స్ ఉంటే క్షమించండి. మళ్ళీ థ్యాంక్ యూ.